Number 1. Introducing the 1969 Pontiac Executive, a beautiful four-door hardtop sedan that radiates the elegance and style of classic American automobiles. With 110,000 miles on the odometer, this car features an automatic transmission and a 400 cubic inch two-barrel engine known for its reliability and performance. The pristine white exterior, accented by a stylish blue interior, adds to the charm of this vehicle. Recent updates include a modernized AC system converted to 134A, new front-end parts, front springs, a sway bar, and brand new tires mounted on original Pontiac rally rims. Largely original, the car has been repainted once and features an electric front bench seat, combining vintage design with a touch of convenience. Priced at $9,500 and located in Denham Springs, Louisiana, this Pontiac Executive is a classic worth cherishing. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 2. Next up, meet the 1952 Ford Thunderbird, a classic car that captures the charm of its era with remarkable authenticity. With 94,500 miles on the clock, this vehicle is powered by a flathead V8 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, ensuring an engaging driving experience. The striking blue exterior is complemented by a well-maintained gray interior, preserving its vintage appeal. While there are minor paint imperfections, the car remains a stunning example of classic craftsmanship. Completely unaltered and mechanically sound, this Ford is ready for the open road. With a clearance C title and a history of reliability, it's priced at $7,900 and located in Jacksonville, North Carolina. This is a rare find for anyone who appreciates the timeless appeal of early 1950s automobiles. For further details, check the link in the description. Number 3. Here is the 1957 Chevrolet 210 Sedan, a classic that embodies mid-century American automotive design. This sedan has traveled just 51,600 miles since its last restoration in 1978, making it a true gem for enthusiasts. Featuring an automatic transmission and a dependable 6-cylinder engine, this car is a joy to drive. Recent work includes servicing the fuel system, upgrading the brake system, and installing a new aluminum radiator for improved cooling performance. It rides on 15-inch rally wheels, and the original 14-inch wheels are included for added authenticity. While it's a drivable project, this Chevrolet 210 offers endless customization opportunities. Priced at $7,500 and located in Frankfort, Indiana, this vehicle is ready for its next chapter with a new owner. To learn more, follow the link in the description. Number 4. Introducing the 1960 Plymouth Fury, a well-preserved classic that has remained local to Hendersonville, North Carolina since it was purchased new. With just 39,448 miles, this car retains its original charm, featuring a white exterior paired with a green interior. Although it is not currently running, the vehicle is intact, with all its original components present. Minimal rust makes this Fury an excellent restoration candidate, offering immense potential for a dedicated enthusiast. Priced at $6,500, this classic represents a rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. For more information, don't forget to check the link in the description. Number 5. Next is the 1949 Ford Sedan, a vintage beauty that exudes character and charm from its era. With an estimated 100,000 miles, this car features a robust V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Its blue exterior adds to its appeal, and while little is known about its detailed history, the vehicle appears solid and full of potential. Priced at $5,500 and located in Harvard, Illinois, this Ford sedan is perfect for anyone looking to restore a classic and bring it back to life. For additional details, visit the link in the description. Number 6. Introducing the 1950 Ford F-150, a unique project truck that combines vintage charm with modern upgrades. This black-on-black beauty is mounted on an S10 frame for enhanced performance and comes equipped with a crate motor ready for installation. The truck also features high-quality new components, including painless wiring, vintage air, and various additional parts that lay the groundwork for a custom build. With its manual transmission and just 8,000 miles on the odometer, this F-150 represents an exciting opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Priced at $9,500 and located in Seal, Alabama, this truck has the potential to become a show-stopping masterpiece with your finishing touches. For more information, follow the link in the description. Number 7. Meet the 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak, a timeless sedan that embodies the elegance of classic design. This gray beauty has only 5,300 miles on the odometer and is in running condition, making it a rare find for collectors. The clean title adds to its appeal, ensuring smooth ownership for its next caretaker. Whether you're a restorer looking for a solid base or a collector seeking a piece of automotive history, this Silver Streak is a remarkable opportunity. Priced at $4,000 and located in Douglas, Arizona, this classic Pontiac is ready for its next chapter. Be sure to check the link in the description for additional details. Number 8. Next up is the 1954 Ford Club Wagon, a nostalgic piece of automotive history with just 5,000 miles. As a beloved first car, this wagon boasts a rebuilt early 70s 302 engine, new brake lines, and numerous upgraded components. The motor starts effortlessly, though the carburetor may need servicing for optimal performance. While the interior shows signs of past damage and requires restoration, the potential for customization is immense. Whether you're a collector or an enthusiast, this Ford Club Wagon is a perfect canvas for your vision. Priced at $4,000 and located in Tucson, Arizona, this vehicle offers an exciting restoration opportunity. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 9. Here is the 1957 Chevrolet Wagon, a classic 6-passenger 210 station wagon that blends nostalgia with practicality. Powered by a 307 engine paired with a recently rebuilt TH350 transmission, this wagon runs and drives, making it a drivable project with immense potential. Additional upgrades include an aftermarket copper and brass radiator, a rewired electrical system, and enhanced suspension. The car does require sheet metal work, but its solid foundation ensures a rewarding restoration process. Priced at $10,000 and located in Hope, Arkansas, this Chevrolet Wagon is a fantastic choice for someone ready to bring a true classic back to life. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more. Number 10. Presenting the 1961 Ford F-100, a stylish short-bed truck that combines vintage appeal with modern upgrades. Featuring an aftermarket AC system, an automatic transmission, and just 6,124 miles, this truck is both functional and eye-catching. The striking black exterior contrasts beautifully with the vibrant red interior, creating a standout aesthetic. While the truck runs and drives, it does require mechanical attention, including first-gear repairs and servicing of the rear differential. With extensive work already completed, this F100 is an excellent opportunity for someone eager to complete its restoration. Priced at $9,900 and located in Phoenix, Arizona, this classic truck is ready for its next adventure. For further details, follow the link in the description. Number 11. Introducing the 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air, a classic four-door sedan that captures the essence of early 1960s American automotive style. Powered by a smooth-running 235 six-cylinder engine paired with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission, this Bel Air offers both reliability and vintage charm. With just 23,000 miles on the odometer, it features a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching interior. Recent updates include a new radiator, brakes, gas tank, shocks, tires, and refreshed fluids, making it a dependable cruiser. This car has already been driven 1,000 miles since its renewal, and it remains a delightful option for classic car enthusiasts. Priced at $6,000 and located in Pocahontas, Arkansas, this Bel Air represents an excellent opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. Be sure to follow the link in the description for more details. Number 12. Presenting the 1962 Pontiac Grand Prix, the debut model of a celebrated series that exudes potential for restoration. Though it does not currently run, this car retains its original 389 engine, which has been bored .060 over, showcasing its promise as a performance machine. The engine is currently stuck but may be freed with proper care. While the solid frame has minimal rust limited to the rear quarters and trunk areas. Featuring an automatic transmission and a sleek gray exterior, this Grand Prix rolls and steers easily, making it a manageable and rewarding project for classic car enthusiasts. With a clean title and a storied legacy, this Pontiac is priced at $2,500 and located in Hope, Arkansas. For those eager to restore a classic to its former glory, don't miss this opportunity. Check the link in the description for further. Number 13. Introducing the 1963 Ford Fairlane 500, a charming vintage sedan that embodies the simplicity and elegance of early 1960s design. Equipped with a 200 inline six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, this Fairlane pairs functionality with timeless style. Its brown exterior complements the solid trunk and floor pan, though minor rust spots on both rear quarters add to its restoration potential. The vehicle includes essential parts to repair the front right strut rod mount, ensuring that it remains a practical project. With a clear Missouri title and stock wheels, this Fairlane 500 is ideal for classic car enthusiasts looking to bring a mid-century gem back to life. Priced at $2,500 and located in Fulton, Missouri, this vehicle offers a fantastic starting point for a rewarding restoration. Learn more by visiting the link in the description. Number 14. The 1963 Ford F-100 unibody is a rare and desirable pickup that stands out with its unique unibody design. This manual transmission truck has traveled 78,000 miles and features a distinctive green exterior with an off-white interior. While it does not currently run, the vehicle is a complete and authentic project with no missing parts, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. Its rugged charm and classic design make it a standout choice for truck enthusiasts seeking a solid restoration opportunity. Priced at $4,800 and located in Nogales, Arizona, this F-100 unibody is ready for someone to unlock its potential. Be sure to check the link in the description for more details about this exceptional project truck. Number 15. Introducing the 1963 Ford Thunderbird, a stunning classic that blends luxury and performance. Powered by a robust 390 V8 engine, this Thunderbird has only 65,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting its well-preserved condition. The off-white exterior contrasts beautifully with the red interior, and the cloth top remains in excellent shape. Recent updates include a new master cylinder and front disc brakes, ensuring modern stopping power for a smooth and reliable ride. While the dash has a minor crack under the cover, the car includes all A/C components stored in the trunk, offering further restoration potential. With little to no rust, this Thunderbird is a prime choice for those seeking a stylish and dependable classic car. Priced at $8,500 and located in Elizabethtown, Indiana, this timeless vehicle is ready to find its next owner. For additional information, follow the link in the description.